Go, David, go. Hey, let's go. Big tick. Big tick.
I'll shoot, boys.
Who did you miss?
Yeah, I'm finna miss
You're
this.
not coming back to my house.
After he's there, you stay here and you run up.
Hey!
What's your name again?
Just tell him where to go.
Oh, you can go on the net.
Switch, run.
Hey, let's go! What? What do you mean you can't? It's not that hard.
It isn't. I just can't do it.
Nice.
Go, go, Nathan. Hit it. Oh! Damn, dude, you got blocked! Oh, shit. I thought you hit him in the face. Damn, dude, you got blocked.
I thought he hit him in the
I know. Bye! One hit. Go, go, go! I got it. Hey, no. Yeah! So he just passed. I'll say. Damien, your answer. Yes, sir. No. Oh, yeah. You're out.
Serving?
Yeah. No, he's serving.
Oh, go flying. Well, I'm backside right now? Backside?
I mean, no, at least.
I mean, if you want. No, it is. Well,
I'll serve. Oh yeah, I'll serve.
Serve for him.
I'll serve. Okay.
You play outside or outside? Outside.
Good serve.
Hey, let's go!
Good job.
look at the girl.
What? I'm serving for 6.
Shit. No, this side. This side. Play this side. Over. Free.
2.
Good. You good. They're good serves, bro. That's fucking good. Short. Hey, go. Good job, kid. Kid. Go, over. What's the Obi? Yeah! You should have hit that. I couldn't.
This is really good. Okay.
My bad. Go.
Let's get ready, okay?
Swing it. Bring it down. Bring it. Let's go, play. Kill, let's go.
You're up. Mine's gonna dunk for this.
You suck. What's more?
Oh, 8-3. Oh, shit.
Go, keep. Go!
Net.
Get back in.
The middle. It's outside.
Over. I know. Hey, go, go, go. Come on, get this.
Low light.
Hey, keep moving.
We're all gonna say shows getting lights on only.
Oh, it's still north? Yeah, still north. Yeah.
You hitting middle?
What? Heck no. Over, Keith. So say you're outside. Go, 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 go. I'm joking right now. Score? What? My team's choking. 6-12? Okay, here. Looks like he's choking. Go, Keith. Up, up. I got it. Oh, outside, guys. Outside. Oh, go, go. Hey, Vince. Oh, the outside, get the outside. Hey, go, go, go. All right, okay, let's go.
I thought you go backwards. The other way.
Or I think you're playing right.
It's the other way around.
Why you guys listening to short back?
Nice hustle.
I did. I did. I don't want to play anything. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? I'm just fucking joking, dude. I'm hella choking.
The other shit that plays the 18.
Never.
Hey, go, go, go. Yeah, fuck that shit. Take first ball. Keith is there. Keith, take first. I don't know why he's taking it.
Oh, yeah.
I always take first ball.
Like I'm gonna take it, but he's just standing there. So like,
No, my bad. He's all over there.
I saw you.
I don't
I mean, scared, dude. I'm hitting.
Mike.
Over. Get you outside. Go, go, keep.
Alright, I got it.
Cody, man.
Set him a shoe.
Set him off,
No,
Cody.
no, no. Like, trying to push.
Avoid Cody staying hella tight.
I don't know if it's for me or the guy next to me, so I'm like,
I kept trying to push it out, but then, like, it won't go.
Oh, I thought.
If you feel like it's, you can.
yeah, just do that because you don't know our name. Right? Alright, so for,
Oh, yeah! Oh!
supposed to like jump.
Let's go! Outside, outside. Outside. Damien. Where's he at? Oh. You got two random people. Not real, kinda. Oh yeah, I'll play. Oh yeah!
Oh, he's in front of me.
Over! Yeah, why are you in this spot?
I thought he just hit. Will you serve? Go to that side.
You gotta remember after you serve, you gotta run over there, okay?
Listen to me! Bully!
Okay?
You guys are too close.
Okay, go. Your kid in the front.
Oh, well, I'm covering the middle range because it doesn't let me hit left or right, right? You're off there. So I gotta like get on there too. Bro, watch us get dominated.
I think we should have a decent chance against into back
Go. Yo, King, you have no chill. What the fuck? You have no chill. Sorry, center. Go, short. Go. Bring that. You're lucky this not moving. All I know is that like them are losing.
Hey, I see they come all black, bro.
What are they playing up to?
4.
27-13.
Oh yeah, Nathan, finish it. 3 more.
Dude, he's just dunking on him, dude. they can't block.
I use my fingers. Ah. You grab the ball like this?
But put him in the eye.
Oh!
Yeah, you did everything right.
Oh, three.
He got one.
Get that! That's all you guys gotta take a slug. Go. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Up front left.
Is it game point?
Go run up there. Just run. Run.
Jumper.
No, we just need to get our timing down.
Gonna miss. Sucks.
On him now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was hella high. Go. Right here, fight. Oh, that's it.
No, it depends on how they do it though. Like, if there's a guy that's able to shoot 2 feet in the air.